warning for southwestern Nash County until 7:45 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bailey, or 11 miles southwest of Nashville, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bailey, Spring Hope, and Middlesex. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Nash, North Carolina.
First alert on WX3.